Hey everyone! For those who don't know me yet, my name is David Jelinsky, and I'm a part of the Get Educated team here as an admin. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the Y1T course, how to sign up, and what to expect when you're in. So the first thing that's going to happen here is you're going to be prompted with stay up to date with new content and subscribe today. This is how you'll receive all the updates inside of the course through email or SMS messaging. And once you fill out all of that, you'll be prompted to a new website, and this is the portal for Y1T. You're going to fill in that same information with the same email you used before and the password that's given to you in the email. So once you log in, you'll find your course here, Y1T Year 1 Tech Training. You go ahead and click on that course, and as you can see, all your modules are on the left-hand side. Now, before you actually start the course, it is important to subscribe to our Y1T Get Educated YouTube channel. It's in your welcome module. You'll go ahead and click using this course, scroll down, and there it is right there. Be sure to subscribe to Get Educated. Go ahead and click that and subscribe. We have several different videos already on how to repair specific slot machine parts that you'll find in the field. Here are a few of my favorite modules. History of slot machines. History of slot machines, we go over what are slot machines, how did they come to be. We have many other modules such as the top manufacturing companies to know, spanning from Bally to IGT, all the way to Aruze and Novomatic. So down here is one of my favorite lessons, Teddy Basics. Teddy Basics helps you interact with the customers during your first year as a technician. Just beneath Teddy Basics is in the field, and the field teaches you common year one problems such as jammed bill validators and replacing the paper on a ticket printer. After each module, you'll be prompted with a quiz. You'll find the quiz underneath each module. It'll be titled Casino Floor Operation Quiz, Bill Validator System Quiz, Transport Head, Cash Box, Ticket Printer, etc. So you'll go ahead and click that when you're ready to take your quiz on what you have just learned. Scrolling up to the top of the modules here, you'll find History of Slot Machines, or any other module, for example. You'll be prompted with a video lesson or written material. Let's check out a little bit of this first video here. History 1, The Personalities and the Legacy of Cyred.
In this lesson, we're going to learn about the modern slot machines. Of course, the history of the slot machine and where it came from, the slot machine companies' history and where they're from, the slot machine companies today and what the revenues are from the slot machine operations in the field. A lot of the companies' revenue you can find right on their websites. Most of them are public entities, and they do quarterly reports. We'll address that when we get to the companies section.
That's just a little bit of what the video has to offer. It's actually one of my favorite ones. Cyred is an incredible guy, awesome personality. This fascinates me. I love learning about the history of slot machines. Now, as you're going through the course, it is absolutely vital that you are marking each lesson as complete, because if you don't mark it as complete, you will not be able to move on within the course. Another one of my favorite modules is actually the In the Field module. The In the Field module offers tremendous content, such as how to unjam a bill validator or replacing paper for a ticket printer. Here, we're going to watch the cleaning inside of the slot machine. Jesus here offers valuable information on just some things that you need to know. We're going to fast forward a little bit just so we get a better idea of what Jesus is talking about here.
This is a video card. You want to blow out all that dirt. What we're doing here is called PMing the game. So we're PMing the video card right now and the CPU. We want to make sure everything is nice and clean so we don't have issues with dust on the CPU.
And that's just a little bit of in the field work, how to clean the inside of a slot machine. As you can see here, you'll be prompted with a lot of videos, and here you'll specifically see a lot of written material. You'll want to make sure that you're using both the videos and the written material to study for your quizzes and final exam, because all of the content inside of those quizzes and exams comes from everything within the course. So when you're done with all your modules inside of Y1T, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and that's where you'll find your final exam. It is important to make sure that your name is spelled correctly inside of your profile, which I'll show you how to do here in a second, because when you're done with your final exam, however your name is spelled in your profile is how it will appear on the certificate that you are able to print out once you're done with the final exam. So let's go ahead and check out our profile now. When you click the home page right up here in the right hand corner, this is the screen it'll take you to. This is where you can complete your profile. It's important to have all of this filled out because this is what your peers will see. You'll go ahead and click this complete profile button. You could upload a profile image, a headshot, a silly image, whatever you want to be seen as in Y1T. You'll have your full name, your title, and you can leave a little bio here. Me, for example, I'm a UNLV student, so I have UNLV student. Plain and simple. I have my location, my time zone. Just go ahead and fill everything that you want out in here and make sure that it's all correct. That's what's important. Go ahead and click that save button. And now I'm going to show you the communities. The community section of Y1T is what makes Y1T fun and helpful. Here we have an announcement section that will have important announcements throughout the tenure of your course and even afterwards. Community, as you can see here, I was proud of myself. I passed the first exam. You can type whatever you want in here. Get to know each other. Y1T course help. This is vital because if you have any questions, you can collaborate with your peers. Steven here says, who made Buffalo games again? I think it was Aristocrat, but I don't remember. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm his suspicion. Steven, you are correct. It was Aristocrat. Something great about this course is that you can learn at your own pace. It's modular. Me, for example, I'm not the greatest test taker, so it took me a little while to get the course done. But that's what's so great about it. You can work on this course at any pace you'd like, a pace that's set by your employer, or a pace that you're setting for yourself. That you can access it anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. So if you're at home and looking to get some modules done, if you're out in the field and you need a little refresher on something, go ahead and log into Y1T on your phone. You can access it there. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that it answered all the questions that you had. If not, feel free to reach out to us whenever. We're always here and ready to help you. And we're excited to have you a part of our Y1T family.